Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee house-style coffee. First, select fresh, high-quality beans. This is crucial for a rich flavor profile. Next, grind your beans right before brewing to preserve their aromatic oils. Aim for a consistent water temperature, ideally around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, to properly extract the coffee's essence. This initial preparation sets the foundation for a truly exceptional cup, mimicking your favorite cafe experience right at home. Now let's dive into brewing. For a coffee house experience, consider methods like pour-over or a French press. A precise coffee-to-water ratio is key. Aim for about 1 part coffee to 15 or 16 parts water. When pouring, ensure an even saturation of the coffee grounds, starting with a bloom phase. This careful attention to detail during brewing extracts the full spectrum of flavors, creating a balanced and delicious cup every time. To elevate your coffee to cafe standards, consider the finishing touches. If you enjoy milk-based drinks, frothing milk to a silky texture can transform your beverage into a latte or cappuccino. Experiment with natural sweeteners or a hint of flavoring, but use them sparingly to let the coffee shine. Finally, serve your masterpiece immediately in a pre-warmed mug to maintain its ideal temperature and flavor profile. Enjoy your perfectly crafted coffee. You've successfully crafted a coffee house quality drink right at home. Take a moment to truly savor the rich aroma and complex flavors you've created. Sharing this experience with friends or family can make it even more enjoyable, turning a simple brew into a special occasion. Remember, the journey of making great coffee is as rewarding as the drink itself. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.